Hello. So today we will be talking about idioms. What are idioms? So an idiom is a phrase made up of words that would not really make sense if it was just said to you. So reading this out, an idiom is a group of words established by usage as having a meaning not deducible from those of the individual words. That's Google's definition. The easier definition is an idiom is a group of words which have a surprising meaning. You would not expect it to have that meaning. Okay, so let's practice 5 idioms. The first one is beat around the bush. Beat around the bush. What does this mean? So to beat around the bush means to avoid the topic, avoid the issue, avoid the main purpose of whatever. So I can give an example, which is when Mary got angry at her son and her son kept on denying his wrongdoing, Mary said, "Just admit your mistake. Stop beating around the bush." Okay. Now I will delete this, and if you want to review the sentence, you can always pause and rewind. Okay, second idiom is call it a day. Call it a day. Call it a day means let's finish. Let's rest. The job is done for the day. We can continue tomorrow. An example? Mark looked at his brother, who was still busily shoveling concrete onto the ground. Mark said, "Let's call it a day. We can finish this job tomorrow." Okay. And now I will delete this. Third one, get something out of your system. Get something out of your system. This means to get rid of something that has been uncomfortable for you, that has been bothering you. Usually people use this phrase when they finally are able to tell something to someone, and that something has been bothering them for a while. Okay, by telling that person, they get the issue or the problem out of their system. So here's an example. When John finally told his father the truth that he stole his father's car, John was very relieved. He finally got that out of his system. Maybe I will add the word confession here. Got that confession out of his system, because John had been feeling very guilty until then. Okay, give 3 seconds to read this sentence again. And I'll delete. Okay, 4th one. Hang in there. Hang in there. So the common problem when people look at idioms is they take it literally. If someone told you to hang in there, you may ask, what do I hang on to? There's no bar. There's nothing to hold or hang. But hang in there is also used to mean don't give up. It's nearly over. Don't give up. Okay, here's an example. Sarah's mum told her to hang in there. When there was 100 meters to go during Sarah's athletics race. Okay. Okay, 3 seconds to read. All right. The 5th and final idiom is under the weather. Under the weather. So this does not mean you're literally standing underneath the rain or the sun or the clouds. It actually means that you're feeling a bit unwell or feeling a bit sick. If you say that you feel under the weather, it is not as serious as I am about to die or I have a terminal disease. If you say under the weather, it means that you are slightly unwell, but not very unwell. Okay, here's an example. Sam was feeling quite under the weather, so he decided to not go to work that day. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. And if you have any questions, please let me know. See you next time.